Alright guys, welcome back. Today I am riding this bike like I just sold it from the neighbor garage. Look at this thing bro, I swear the brakes are just for decoration because stopping is really not an option. Oh no, look at the jump. I felt that my spine, my infected property decided too. Why does my rider over life get drunk on energy drink? And what? Wait, did I just crash into the tree? That was not even in the way. No, bro, the tree came to me. It wants revenge. These NPC bikers riding around me, they are not racing. They are just here to remind me how bad I am at the life decision. Like, bro, why are you paddling casually when I'm fighting for my career out here? Okay, final track. Speed is good, balance is bad, and I'm gone straight into the river. Congratulations, me. I'm the first biker to invent underwater tackling. Nickel Bell, move over. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching me, turn into human rat dog. Smash like button before my bye. It should company call me back. This is one of the last movement I created. The last riding ride. And the free ride is going to happen on me and I'm quaking like a baby. Again and again. Just to remind where I want to stop. Like, oh my god. I tried to wheel and I'm stuck it on. It can't be moved from here. Stuck it on. Like, stuck it on. And the last play I had been the last riding play. On the wheel, I borrow and start reading with the weight and standing on the bike with the one wheel.